Hey you guys, it's Molly. I'm going to experiment. I've layered my canvas with white and I'm going to pour some white into an ice cream scoop. Ooh, it had some blue on the side of it. And I'm gonna pour some phthalo green and some phthalo blue. Some Paynes gray from up high. And a ton of gold. Okay. I'm gonna take a toothpick and swirl through it. Get some design. And then I'm gonna pour it out. Now, I'm gonna stretch it out and see what happens. I want to keep some of the negative space there. Bring the paint back to the center and just go down with it. I'm playing around on this small canvas to see if I like this design for a bigger canvas. I really like the swirls that I got out of that. I think that's beautiful. One little thing in there, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do this on a bigger canvas. And I might kind of feel like I might want to blow that edge out right there. It's kind of hard. I really like the lines that I ended up getting in this though. So I definitely think I'm gonna try this again. I think my consistency was good. I had I like it kind of blown out a little bit. I have these cells that are from the gold that are developing in the center. Yeah, I love the color combination. I was inspired by Sheely's art on the color combination, Sheely Carruthers. And I really like the lines that I got in it, how soft they are. So I'll take you down and show you. This is just a short little experiment. Let me get out of the... So I love the kind of striated lines that I got. A little bit too much paint. I wanted a little bit more negative space. The cells in the middle are really interesting as well. And this is gonna dry with a really, really pretty sheen because of that Deco Art metallic gold. But yeah, so this was a little experiment that I'm gonna play around with on a bigger canvas. You guys let me know what you think. I think it's really, really cool. All right, you guys, little experiment. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.